Oke, jadi kali ini kita akan live streaming kembali, melanjutkan perjalanan Ellie dan Joel. Joel Miller. Jadi setelah 2 minggu tidak live streaming, kita kembali lagi live streaming di channel ini. Karena sudah ada beberapa orang private chat saya. Live streaming pub. Ya sudah, jadi kita live streaming sekarang. Wish me luck. Dan kemarin kita sampai di si Henry ya, kalau nggak salah nama teman bang baru kita. Si Henry sama si adiknya, gue lupa namanya siapa. Ntar saya share di Discord dulu. Oke, baik, mari kita langsung saja melanjutkan game yang satu ini. Sangat sekali saya dengan Joel. Sudah lama saya tidak bermain sebagai Joel. Filmnya menonton tapi mainnya kagak. By the way, episode 3 kemarin sangat menjelaskan bagaimana si Joel bisa ketemu Bill, terus gimana si Bill, cerita hidupnya Bill. Ada toolbox. Oke, nice. Level 3. Mari kita coba upgrade. Armor piercing. Enggak, nope. Nanti dulu, ini dulu sih penting sih. Reload speed boleh lah ya. Boleh kali upgrade. Bro, upgrade cok. Mungkin rifle boleh kali ya. Armor piercing. Nice, terus clip capacity boleh. Ini reload speed range. Ini apa nih? Allows you to throw the weapon faster. Gak perlu range weapon, gak perlu panah juga karena kita jarang pakai kan. Ya sudah, fire rate boleh lah ya. Udah segitu aja dulu. Atau upgrade lagi ya? Bentar. Woi. Satu senjata yang dua apa ya? Fire rate boleh lah ya, cuma 20. No toolbox. Clip capacity tidak perlu karena ammo kita dikit, cuma 11. Ammo shotgun gak ada, rifle 7. Sisanya sih supply sih full ya. Cuma ammo aja nih gak ada.
Ice cream truck?
Yeah, Henry told me about these. Oi Fabio, sehat tidak? Sehat, alhamdulillah.
No way, Joel?
It's true. This thing drive around and play real loud, creepy music, and kids will come running out to buy ice cream.
You're totally fucking with me.
Serious. Told you so.
Ice cream truck. Jualan es krim. Mari kita keliling-keliling lagi mencari item. Nice. Petir lumayan. Kita coba naik. Loh. Anda ngapain, cok? Lu apa ini? Loteng. Oh.
Yeah, sailing's falling apart.
Sabar. Kita cek sini dulu. Apakah ada item di sini? Lusar Senen yo, iya. Betul. Ada note. Anda mau baca father's note. Kara, bla bla bla. Oh, you are the adult. The adult. While I'm gone. Bla 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 bla. Tuh, Anda mau baca dah. Nice. Ada ammo. Ini eksplosif kayaknya tidak bisa dipakai. Sudah. Ini toilet sini gak ada apa-apa. Mari kita ke atas.
Watch yourself.
Ayo. Oke.
Find anything?
Apa itu? Buku buat upgrade melee weapon upgrade. Oke, nice. Jadi bisa lebih lama. Oke, nice. So, kita ke sana dulu. Kayaknya ada rumah lagi deh di seberang. Sebelah nih. Nah, kan. Seberang nggak bisa dimasukin. Cabut dia. Nice, 10 pil. Kita butuh berapa sih? Maksimum health. Udah, berarti gue butuh ini. Listen mode atau enggak shift master. Kayaknya shift master dulu deh. Penting soalnya. Lawan clicker. Kalau misalkan kita ketangkep clicker masih bisa survive. Nice.
Is anybody else hungry?
Yes. Hey, guys. Break when we get to the radio tower.
Udah pada lapar, cok. Hai. Halo Bang, halo Rasya. Halo Sya. Nice. Bertamu. Note. Survivor note. One open the door. That's all it took. Bla 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 bla. Ish. Komik. Sabar ya, kita nyari item dulu, bro. Kita kurang ammo nih. Ammo kita dikit. Oh, ini explosive full. Aduh, combination. Kabar Bang, baik. Aman. Jadi awkward gitu sih. Matchbook. Ini dia code-nya. 82136. Sip. Bow full, kayaknya full ya. Ya, mari kita turun, buka save key. Nice. Oke. Bentar, ini bisa. Enggak, udah ada 6. Peluru shotgun nih tidak ada, cok, kosong. Shotgun saya. Mari kita turun. Ini udah tadi.
Hey, Sam? Be careful.
Yeah. Okay.
Oke.
I'll go first.
Main dia.
Oh,
Damn it. Right, your turn.
let's throw it.
Yeah.
Boosh. I am an astronaut.
Boom. Aduh.
No, it wasn't.
Kirain gua kena tengah, cok. Dia.
All right,
Jago lu dia.
you're getting cocky.
Tuh.
Horrible.
Alright. It's a tie.
Oh, no, man. You clearly got destroyed.
How did I clearly get destroyed? That's practically a tie.
Yeah, okay.
Mau coba. Oke, mari kita coba. Loh,
Come a day when kids can just be kids again.
Let's go.
kesini aja. Kocak orang ya. Astaga. Mari kita keluar dari dapur. Alright, here we go. Bentar. Oh, kan, bener kan? Sniper kan? Aduh,
Sniper.
tiba-tiba udah ada cutscene seperti itu.
Down the street. All right, now. I'll stay here.
No.
Before you start, I need you guys to keep him busy. I'm gonna go around and see if I can't get the angle on him.
Okay. Hey. Be careful.
As always. Itu dia snipernya, kawan. Oh shit. Kayaknya ada orang ya yang lagi ngobrol. Nah kan? Oh, enggak, dia teriak dari atas itu. Oke, amonya nggak habis-habis loh, by the way, bro. Ada step, sumpah. Belakang gua, anjir, kaget gua. Really? Dude? Really? Astaga, banyak banget itu, gila.
Get him, boy!
Mana? Inian gua, bom gua. Too many. Terlalu banyak, bro.
Where do you think you're going?
Oh, shoot. Oh, no. Cabut. Sabar, kena sniper, kawan-kawan. Oh, shit. Hold on, sabar. Mana doi? It's too late now to say sorry. Really? Nggak mati, cok. Ini anjing-anjing itu apa sih? Oh, duh, kena sniper, kawan, keserempet peluru. Keep him busy. Apa sih anjing-anjing itu? Ya Allah. Keep 'em busy. Halo? Halo? Udah. Ya. Pasti di sana banyak supply.
Where was it you were going?
Holy sh!
Get him, boys!
Really?
Come on, I'm not gonna hurt you! Scout them!
Dia tahu gue ya?
Where you going? Huh? Where you going?
Set pelurunya kagak bisa habis, gila. Come here. Sini. Nah, resource gue udah terlalu dikit ini.
Keep searching. Where's this guy?
Okay. Now what? Go.
Check down there.
Oh shoot. Dari kiri ada. Ayo, aduh, mati cok gua di shotgun depan mata. Awas, dari kiri ada lagi cok. Bukan dari kiri, dari kanan, blok. Mati gua, sumpah mati. Oke. Sulit. Bentar.
Where'd you go?
Sabar ya. Working on it.
Where do you think you're going? You'll fucking see you! Come out, wherever you are! Where do you think
Oh shoot. They know me. Kabur, cabut. Ini bunyi kagak nih gua gerak ke sini.
Whoa! Oh shit!
Oh. Mati lu kesini lu, sumpah. Coba tuh, naik ke atas. Orang gue udah di atas ya. Nah, kok snipernya nggak ada? Snipernya nggak ada. Nah, kan, cok. Nah. Untung nggak diliatin, cok. Untung nggak diliatin. Really? Kita pakai sniper, let's go. Woo. 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 Yes. Nice. Good aim. Nice. Ay, nggak kena. Ah, come on. Ayolah. Nice. Good shot, Henry. Lagi. Nice. He's dead. Dead. One down. Nice. Lagi bro. Gimana sign? Aduh, apaan itu cok? Hah? Oh, ada yang nembak dari sini. Ah, pecah. Nice. Mana cok? Nice. Oh shit. Aduh. Alright. Nice. Nice.
Shit. Oh, that was intense.
You all right, Sam? Yeah, I'm okay.
Oh, Sam namanya. Oke.
Thanks, Joel.
Thanks, Joe.
Look at this.
Udah ya?
All right, we did it.
We should move.
Yuk.
All right. Sam!
Oh, God damn it. Sam,
Sam, are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine. You
kegigit
sure?
kah dia?
I said I'm fine.
Come on.
Let's move.
Dari kiri. Cabut. Susah cok nembak beginian, anjir, lari-lari. Cabut. Dari kiri ada anjir suaranya. Nice. Gak kena pula. Nice. Ai, tolong Henry. Deket banget itu. Holy shit, banyak banget, cok. Sumpah. Nggak bisa, nggak bisa, nggak bisa, nggak bisa. Cabut, 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 cabut.
You're okay.
Still here. Anybody hurt?
No, we're good.
I think it's time we quit this place. Come on.
Let's go.
Go, go, go. Let's go. Ya,
Shut the hell up.
Are you serious?
akhirnya mereka makan.
That's all he wanted to do was just rent 2 Harleys and drive cross country.
I could die happy if I could just ride one around the block. What was it like?
It was good. Really good.
Good. Can you believe this guy? Come on, man, give me details. Describe it.
You know what? You two deserve a little privacy.
No, Ellie. This isn't just any regular motorcycle, okay? You get on that bad boy, you feel that engine? Nothing like it.
Oh,
Harley.
yeah, how would you know?
Seen it in my dreams.
Okay.
I don't think anyone from my group is gonna show up.
Yeah.
Explaining it to Sam.
Well, it's safe to say those two have officially bonded. What are you doing?
Taking stock of all the food we found today.
I see. How canned peaches?
Did Henry send you? I'm not fucking up somehow.
I'd say we all did pretty good back there. Especially you.
Kenapa nih?
Is everything alright?
Everything's fine.
Okay. Well, have a good night.
How is it that you're never scared?
Who says that I'm not?
What are you scared of?
Let's see. Scorpions are pretty creepy. Being by myself. I'm scared of ending up alone. What about you?
Those things out there. What if the people are still inside? What if they're trapped in there without any control of their body? Scared of that happening to me.
Takut berubah jadi zombie.
First of all, we're a team now. Okay, we're gonna help each other out. And second, they might still look like people, but that person is not in there.
And this
Jamur
is-
cordyceps.
moved on. That they're with their families, like in heaven. Do you think that's true?
I go back and forth. I mean, I'd like to believe it.
But you don't.
I guess not.
Me neither.
Oh, on the serious talk, I almost forgot. There.
Ah,
If he doesn't know about it, can't take it away. All right, I'm pooped. I'll see you tomorrow.
lah. Aduh, kena gigit, cok. Benar saja ternyata kena gigit si Henry. Si Henry, si Sam.
smells good.
Morning.
Where's Sam?
Let him sleep in for once.
Oh,
If you want him to join us, you can go wake his ass up.
okay.
Sam.
Sam?
The hell?
What the?
Shit, he's turning! That's my fucking brother! Screw it!
Shit!
Chloe, are you alright?
Oh my god.
Sam? Sam?
Henry? He's still there. Henry? I'm gonna get that gun from you, okay? Oh, okay, easy.
It's your fault.
This is nobody's fault, Henry.
It's all your fault.
Henry! Henry, no!
Oh.
Jackson County. Means we're close to Jackson City, right?
Shouldn't be more than a few miles.
You ready to see dear old brother?
I'm just ready to get there.
You nervous?
Udah ganti baju. Ellie juga sudah ganti baju. Gunung es. Sudah mau winter sepertinya. Nice item.
So much for this road.
Just follow the river. It'll lead us straight to Tommy's. Come on.
What happened between you two?
What do you mean?
You and Tommy. You're not together, so clearly something went down.
We just had a bit of a disagreement, that's all.
Ah, here we go. So what was it about?
Tommy saw the world one way, I saw it the other.
And that's why he joined the Fireflies.
Yeah, your friend Marlene promised him hope. That kept him busy for a while, but just like Tommy, he eventually quit that too.
How was it? The last time you saw him?
I believe his last words to me were, I don't ever want to see your goddamn face again.
Hmm.
But he's gonna help us?
I suppose we're gonna find out.
Well, there without his help?
Let's just keep going.
Bro, amo gua cok.
Whoa, what's that?
Right there's a hydroelectric power
Bendungan.
plant.
Halo Mas Fabio, I'm back. Halo Mas
It
Sepa.
uses the river's movement and turns it into electricity.
How does it do that?
Look, I know what it is. I don't know how it does it.
Alright. How are we getting across?
There you go.
There you go.
Item bro. Let's go. Loh, bentar. Wait a minute. Tadi kayak ada senjata pistol yang ada kekerannya dah. Iya gak sih? Senjata apaan itu? Tadi habis call sama dia jadi tinggal dulu. Oke, siap. Siap.
Well, that gets us halfway. If we get the other one up, we'll make it across.
Oke, lagi-lagi kita harus berenang, Cok. Berenang kemana tapi?
I'll find something. Just hang tight.
Ikan. Nothing. Apaan ya? Bang, main The Last of Us Remake, saya tidak punya, bro. Ini yang 2013. Last of Us Remastered. Yang remake kayaknya kalau misalkan main di PS4 sama aja deh. Nggak jauh beda maksud gue. Ini ada apa nih dalam sini? Ntar dulu, bentar. Wait a minute. Jangan lupa nggak Bang Rizky subscribe-nya. Wait, mana pintu masuk? Bentar. Kita ambil nafas dulu kawan. Bang coba challenge berisik 1 hari. Maksud gua live streaming udah berisik ini. Nothing. Wah, nafas. Oke. Udah sub, terima kasih banyak Mas Rizky. Di sekolah maksudnya. Ini kayak familiar. How, bentar. Wait. Kayak kita itu dorong itu buat Ellie deh. Bisa nggak ya? Soalnya ini pasti rumah ini tuh pasti ada gunanya nih. Nggak mungkin nggak ada gunanya. Nah kan? Bang main The Last of Us Part 2. Nah, itu dia kenapa gua main Last of Us yang pertama dulu, karena gue pengen main yang kedua gitu. Kemarin kan yang kedua lagi diskon tuh. Nah setelah ini tamat baru kita lanjut ke Last of Us kedua gitu, bro. Gue bisa, kalau misalkan challenge berhasil, gue bakal itu dah, maksudnya bakal belajar dengan giat. Siap. Nih, ini tamat dulu baru kita lanjut ke Last of Us Part 2. Ini pas banget, ini lagi rame loh. Apa namanya? Karena ada filmnya. Terus gua main ini. Get your job done, Ellie. Oke. Nyanyi dia.
Be careful crossing that thing.
I will.
Teamwork.
Yeah. Dia tos nggak tuh? Oke, bagus. Buset, udah 17.51. Kita maghrib break dulu kali ya. Gua pause, gua sholat dulu.
I know, I am too.
Alright, next squirrel I see, I'm totally shooting it.
Let's get past this place, then we can scrounge up some food.
Well, if I starve, you're responsible.
Woi, kayaknya jalan kita ke sana, jadi kita kesini dulu bentar. Apakah ada item atau? Fuck it. Ntar dulu kesini aja. Kayaknya ke situ jalannya. Something, please. Aduh, oke, nggak apa-apa, tape, lumayan lah ya, worth it. Anything?
Forgot to leave that stupid robot I was
Apa ya?
running. What should I do
Isinya?
with it?
Ellie,
What? I want to talk about it.
no.
Why not?
How many times do we need to go over this? Things happen. And we move on.
It's just
That's enough.
Bang main GTA 5.
Tommy's.
Gua nggak punya GTA 5. Entah kenapa ya, kalau gua nggak pernah main GTA dah. Main Last of Us Left Behind ininya kan DLC-nya kan. DLC dari Last of Us yang ini kan.
Ain't no way around. Gonna have to cut through the plant.
Map. Bentar kita bikin ini. Oh, si asik. El Diablo. Oke. Ini bakal bagus nih senjatanya. Oke, nice. Connection currently unstable. Aduh. Tidak stabil nih. Here we go. Kemana kita? Oh,
Don't even think about
Tommy.
reaching for your weapon. Tell the girl to drop hers now.
Ellie,
Tommy kah itu?
do as the lady says.
Hey,
Mirip soalnya.
Please tell me you're lost.
We didn't know the place was occupied. We're just trying to make our way through.
Through to where?
You're all right.
Wait, you know these people?
Know him. He's my goddamn brother.
Nah kan Tommy.
Tommy.
Holy shit.
How you doing, my brother?
Goddamn. Let me look at you.
Dia DLC-nya berarti kita mainin setelah ini.
You're fucking old.
Easy. Won't happen to you, too.
This is Maria. Be nice to her. She sort of runs things around here.
Ma'am? Thanks for not blowing my head off.
Would have been embarrassing, considering you're my brother-in-law.
We all gotta get wrangled up at some point.
Istrinya si Tommy ternyata.
Ellie, right?
yeah.
What brings you through here?
It's kind of a long story.
Why don't we bring him inside?
Yeah. You hungry?
Starving.
False alarm! They're friendlies. We've been dealing with raids. A lot of bandits in this.
It's been quiet for a few days. What the hell are you doing here?
Thought I'd find you in Jackson.
We're trying to bring the plant back to life.
We had it working before. One of the turbines went south.
We have electricity, Joe. I have. We'll get her running again.
No way. You guys have
Udah.
horses.
We got a whole lot of them.
Hey, Tommy, give me a hand with this.
Sorry, I'll be right back.
Can I?
Yeah, of course. You like spinning cars ears. You ever ride one?
I actually have.
When have you ridden a horse?
Winston, this soldier back in the zone, he gave me lessons.
You know, if you want, we can take them riding later.
That'd be awesome.
There.
Hey, thanks, Tommy.
No sweat. All right, let's continue the tour.
Ya, mari kita jalan lagi.
Earl?
Yeah?
Why are you here? Weren't you supposed to head back this morning?
Still waiting on Hauser and the rest of the boys to relieve me.
Yeah, we'll be fine. Just go home to your family.
It's just a couple more hours. I'll tell you.
All right. Take it easy.
Ayo.
Maria,
Yeah, go ahead.
we're in the control room. Steve's about to start it back up. You want to come check it out?
It's my turn anyway. I'll go.
I'll come with you. Go with Maria. I'll take care of you.
Come on, Ellie. Let's give the boys some space. I'm sending Tommy over. Stand by.
This will be the 6th time of them trying to get the turbines back online. We've been here just a week. It feels like forever. I got something for you. Last year I went back to Texas, back home. Most of our stuff is long gone. Most of it. Here. It's a little faded, but it still looks pretty good.
Ini foto yang di rumah.
I'm good.
You sure? I mean,
I said I'm good.
okay. I'll hold on to it for you.
Tommy, I need to talk to you. Privately.
Yeah, okay. Let me just check on my guys real quick. Come on.
Bro, nggak ada peluru shotgun, bro.
I don't know what you heard, but you should see the town. We're over 20 families strong now.
Bentar, woi. Nah, kan item. Nah, sip. Just what I needed. Nice, alkohol full. Shift master, sabar ya. 25 lagi.
It was Maria and her father. They set up this place with the idea of being self-sustained via crops and livestock. Remember how we thought no one could live like this anymore? We're doing it. Give it up. You ain't saving that turbine.
Oh, I'll get it. Been at it for too long to give up now.
What do you do for protection?
Hey, don't
Turbinnya
stay
nggak nyala-nyala, bro.
He even got an electrified fence when you plant it.
You still got to deal with infected, though, right?
Who doesn't? But it's the world we live in.
Or maybe you don't have to go.
You sound like Marlene.
Hey, buddy.
That's Bucky. Not much of a gardener.
He's a good boy.
Really good to have around.
Full.
These two geniuses are gonna bring this plant back to life.
We think we got it this time.
You don't believe us?
I didn't say that.
I'll bet you $1 million it works.
Sure. Maybe two.
We're almost ready. They just need to finish putting the shield back on. No way.
Upgrade senjata.
Here we go.
Kita lihat apakah El Diablo bisa di-upgrade. Oke, reload speed ya, boleh lah ya. What else? Ini sih reload speed, clip capacity boleh.
That'll do. do.
To the left. Watch it. Okay, that's good. Slowly.
Udah pada karatan, cok.
All right, that's good. Tommy here. Good to go. Give me 1 second. Okay, good to go. Ready? Go ahead. Hit it. Here we go.
Nice, nyala.
We did it, boys! Nice work, boys. Somebody get on the horn and give Maria the good news. You see that?
Pretty impressive. Looks like you're out $2 million.
All right, Jim. Let's go talk.
It's quite
Okay.
the crew you got here.
Banyak.
Good man. This place gives him a second chance. Gives us all a second chance. Why'd you leave Boston?
I've been on quite the adventure, little brother.
I reckon it's got something to do with that girl.
He's got everything to do with that little girl.
Well, go on then.
She's immune.
Immune to what?
I've seen her, I know I've seen her breathe enough spores to take down 12 men. Nothing. I wouldn't have believed it neither. I can show you.
All right. I'll bite. Why bring her here?
I'm supposed to deliver to the Fireflies. The way I figure they're your boys. You finish the job, you collect the whole damn thing.
I haven't seen a Firefly in years.
You know where they are. I'm not asking for much, son. I just want some simple gear enough to set me on my way.
What makes you think I'd do this?
This isn't for me, Tommy. This is for your damn cause.
My cause is my family now. We ain't talking about some walk in the park here.
Jesus, boy. Have Maria get some of your born-again friends to do it.
They got families too.
Tommy, I need this.
You want some gear? Sure. But I ain't taking that girl off your hands.
This is how you gonna repay me, huh?
Repay you.
For all those goddamn years I took care of us.
Took care. That's what you call it? I got nothing but nightmares from those years.
You survived because of me.
It wasn't worth it.
Bring you the cure for mankind. You wanna play the pissy little brother.
We ain't back in Boston. You lay your hands on me again, it won't end well for you.
The hell is that?
We're under attack. You still remember how to kill, right?
Diserang, bro.
Stop him! Don't let him into the building!
What the shit? Ini musuh. Ini musuh. Buset. What the shit? That's it. Gila, diserang tapi sampai masuk-masuk kayak gini, cok. Ngeri juga. Come on, keluarlah. Bro. Holy shit. What the sh... Nice. Pakai kakek lu. Oh shit.
Let's go.
Help, help. Nice. Oh.
You guys see anything? Let's get to the bridge.
Tommy, bandits, they're breaking into the building.
Kapak.
We're trapped.
We're gonna come to you.
They're here.
Holy shit. Really? Dude. Out of ammo. Ooh, what a shot. Push, 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 push. Nice. Nice. Let's go. Habis peluru gua, cok. Nice. Go, 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 go. No ammo. Astaga, nggak ada ammo, cok.
We gotta get to the girls. Right behind you.
Joe, do your thing.
Let's go. Holy shit. Teman-teman blok. Oh. Ellie tuh ditembak sama gua. Nice. Maaf Ellie.
You okay?
Ketembak.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Oh man, they were coming in from every direction and Maria was like, we gotta run, and so we dove over these tables and this huge guy blasted with a shotgun.
Slow down. Listen, hey, are you hurt?
No.
God damn it. I need to talk to you.
Absolutely not. You tell him to go find somebody else. Do you have any idea how many men we lost here?
What's that all about? Does that have anything to do with me?
Talk about it later.
Did he tell you where the lab is?
Talk about it later.
Later. Right.
One fuck up and then I turn into one of those widows, okay?
I have to do this. I don't know what else to say.
Fine.
Maria.
Here we go.
You. If anything at all happens to him, it's on you.
She's thankful, man.
Yeah, I know.
take that girl of yours to the Fireflies. You don't have to worry about it.
It's best this way.
Maybe some real good will come of this.
I need to talk to Ellie.
Say again, I didn't hear you. Joel!
What is it?
That girl of yours. She took one of our horses and rode off.
Damn it. Which way?
Come on.
Astaga.
Go back inside.
Really?
Help the others clean the place up. There.
Yeah.
Tracks?
Naik kuda kita, bro. Ini mah senjata banyak, isinya mah kagak ada.
She usually pull these stunts.
Nothing like this. What's going on? She didn't go down this way.
Mana kita? Oh, kesini sini. Yang lurus.
There. More tracks.
Okay, good.
Dia nunjuknya ke sono anjir.
Get him.
Let's go.
Whoa, 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 whoa!
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Shit.
How many do you see?
Too goddamn many.
Go around, I'll cover you.
Ini lama banget reloadnya, cok. Oh, there you are. Really? Kamu keluar lah. Oh shit. One guy. Okay. Keluar. Come on. Dude. Oh no. Shit. Really? Tommy anjir. Oh shit, dari belakang. Get him. Aduh, armor pula. Take that. That's it.
That's all of them.
Ada item, cuk.
Come on, back to the horses.
Tapi sepertinya kita udahan dulu, udah maghrib. Jadi ya sudahlah ya. Udah.